How's it hanging? Well, it's that time of year again where we're going to celebrate Halloween. And by the looks of things, you might be wondering why I'm wearing a pumpkin jacket. Which brings up a question you're probably asking yourself. Who are you? I'm rocking our pumpkins, man. Not to be confused with my brother, David S. Pumpkins. And the jacket? It's part of it. And I'm my own thing. Or should I say, I'm that thing of that thing that I am of. Any questions? Well, we're still in the pumpkin everything season mode, man. And the pumpkin's our friend. And in today's episode, we're gonna make the perfect mini pumpkin pancake waffle. And of course, everyone else makes pumpkin pancakes that look like pancakes. How boring. And congratulations, you just stumbled on my channel, which happens to be Magic Pumpkins. And we're gonna be turning this magic pumpkin into a pancake with the shape of a pumpkin. And without further ado, I'm gonna scare the hell out of you. We're gonna start off by making a vanilla bean syrup. All you have to do is take a half a vanilla bean, split it lengthwise, place it in a jar, and add your favorite maple syrup on top and let it sit there and marinate for a few hours. In a bowl, mix together very well 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, and set this aside. Now in a separate bowl, beat together with a wire whisk 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, 6 ounces of pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 tablespoons of room temperatured unsalted butter. Now add your dry ingredients to the wet batter in 3 different batches, introducing each batch after the other one has been well blended together. Add 3 tablespoons of this pumpkin batter into a mini pumpkin waffle maker and cook for 5 minutes. This recipe should make you 8 perfect mini pumpkin pancake waffles. And finally, a mini pumpkin pancake waffle that actually looks like a mini pumpkin pancake waffle. Scary, isn't it? And we've added our vanilla bean infused maple syrup. You can't go wrong. So what are we waiting for? Let's take a bite. This tastes like a pumpkin pie, but in a mini pumpkin pancake waffle form. And topped it off with that vanilla bean infused maple syrup. Goes hand in hand. And parents, wake up your kids on Halloween morning and make them these mini pumpkin pancake waffles. Thanks for hanging. Don't forget to like, subscribe, write your comments down below. I want to hear from you what you think of these perfect mini pumpkin pancake waffles. Try saying that 10 times fast. Share with your friends and family, and don't forget to click that bell so that you're notified when my next yummy treats are posted. This recipe, it's the only thing you need for a Halloween morning breakfast. And until next time, have a rockin', safe, happy Halloween. Any questions?